We're making great progress with the construction of the new location of Goldstein Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Latham. The old pavement is coming up. Not easily, but it's coming up to make way for new blacktop, where hundreds of cars, trucks, and SUVs will eventually be parked. There's a large entrance to service on the left, and massive windows in the front of our new showroom. Members of the team took a tour the other day. Let's join them for a peek inside. The rooms are starting to take shape, with tiling and painting just a few days away. One thing is clear, this is a big building, especially when you get back into the service department. Very high ceilings, and the room stretches on forever. Don't forget, we'll also have a car wash located behind the building as well. We're moving to this new location to provide you with more selection of new and pre-owned vehicles, and even better service than we're already known for today. We're all looking forward to moving day, just down the road from where we are now. The new Goldstein Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, coming soon to Latham.